To view the purchase material report, the user must first navigate to the procurement menu. Then, click on the report submenu and select the purchase material report option. A form will appear where the user can enter the search criteria for generating the report. The user should begin by selecting the business unit for which the purchase material report needs to be created. Then select the payment methods in which the transaction is done. This option can be left blank to fetch the transaction done in all payment methods. This is a generic function across reporting. If no value specified for a field, then all the values will be considered. The user can select the type of transaction to be filtered, like purchase, refund purchase, service purchase, or refund service purchase. This is a generic function across reporting. If no value specified for a field, then all the values will be considered. Once done, the user can select the supplier involved in the transaction. Next, the user must enter the from date, which supports selecting previous months and years. Then, select the to date as per the reporting requirement. By default, the from and to date will be start date and the end date of the current year. Cost center details can be entered to filter out the reports accordingly. Similarly, currency-based reports can be generated by selecting a currency from the drop-down list. Based on the selected currency, all available transactions will be fetched. Reports can also be filtered by entering a reference number or a special reference number of a specific purchase transaction. The system will fetch relevant data accordingly. User can filter the material by entering one or more characters of the material, and the system narrows down the search. The data can be filtered using description used in the transaction. Once all the required criteria are entered, the user should click on the search button located at the bottom of the form. The system will generate the purchase material report. By default, 10 entries will be displayed per page. Users can navigate to the next page or adjust the pagination setting to display more entries on the same page, depending on their preference. A column visibility option is also provided, allowing users to customize which columns are shown in the report. The report generated can be exported as Excel file or in PDF format. If the user wishes to change the search criteria, they can simply click on the Search Criteria option again to update their inputs.